In the Manage Banks app, we have various filter options such as bank key, bank number, or city. The Adapt Filters button allows us to add additional filters. When we click the Go button, we get a nice overview of all our banks created in our bank directory. We have a bank here, for example, Treasurer's Best Bank, which has a bank country Germany, a bank number, and the bank is in the bank hierarchy group Treasurer's Best Bank. When we click the Manage Bank Hierarchies button, we can view the banks in the hierarchy view. Let's go back to the overview. We still have a field, Risk Partner, in which a risk business partner can be entered. Behind the bank are bank accounts, for example, 34, and we can also see in the Number of House Banks fields how often this bank has been defined as a house bank. This means that we will ultimately orient ourselves from left to right. We have a bank, and that bank becomes a house bank in the process when we use it. Next, we choose the arrow button at the end of the row to display the details of the bank. We can switch to change mode by clicking the Edit button in the upper right corner. First, the general data is displayed. Information such as the bank type, intraday bank statement rule, or bank number is displayed here. In the number of units used area, we can see how often the bank is used. The risk information is also available in the general data. Here we can, for example, add rating information. On the House Banks tab, we can find out where this bank is used. Let's check out the contact data, where a bank contact person can be added. This allows direct access to the bank contact person for the corresponding banks. In the lower part of the screen, we can maintain additional branches for the bank. In this area, we can maintain a main bank that always has additional branches. In the bank service mapping area, we can define conditions for the relevant bank details. This requires entries such as service ID, transaction type, and external transaction. For a specific period, we can define a default business partner for bank details. This setting can be entered in the Default Table Business Partners area. There is also a change history so that everything that has been changed can be seen in the history. These are all the settings that can be made in the Manage Banks tile and in the detail view of a bank.